Hi, TR here. This video is about the assignment Choosing a Home. It walks you through, when you leave home, how to find an apartment, can you afford it, choosing a roommate. So let's scroll down to the content. And one of the first links you'll see is this here. And it opens to this document, which is a template that I strongly suggest you use in order to complete this assignment. The information that you need is on the left. On the right is the information that you're going to research and provide. An excellent document. Back to the content. We put this information for you here. Key point, use bullets. When you're giving information, this really simplifies looking at your work and making sure that you've got enough points. Now here at this link you will find a template that has been completed by a student. Again, the criteria on the left and the information with substantial detail has been given on the right. Going back to the content page. The marking rubric, the link for it is at this point, and it looks like this. Key points are read the rubric. It will give you all the information you need in terms of how I will mark your assignment. And believe me, I use the rubric very, very specifically to mark your assignment. Now, if for some reason this rubric doesn't appear in full, there's a button down here called Web Layout, and you need to press on that in order to get a full screen version of the rubric. Finally, once you've completed the assignment, save the assignment, you need to upload the assignment. You go to the assignments in the navigation menu bar, you open that, you will see a folder, a submitting folder called Choosing a Home. You open that and then you upload your work. Use the templates, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know what your issues are. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye now.